Look at that.
Whoa.
Yeah, shut up. Whoa. No, no, no. Get out of it.
Get out of there. Get out of there, boy.
Hey, focus on it. That's another set cup off.
Bro, get out of there.
He doesn't listen, eh?
He might, no, but he might, he doesn't want to move because it's going to just...
It's going to be better than him standing.
I understand, but
Yeah.
he's probably petrified, he doesn't want to turn. But that's his problem.
Come, get out of there, boy.
Get. Start up.
For your own sake. He doesn't want to move, he doesn't want to move.
Come on, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Nie, maar niet waar in mijn huis, de focus op.
Yes.